Been a bit of progress since I last did a video. Hopefully you can see that there is a vapor barrier. That's white stuff, so we no longer have dirt. We have a vapor barrier that covers pretty much the entire house, or at least the entire house that has exposed flooring, which means, yeah, living room, which you see there, not our bedroom, because we haven't pulled floors out yet. Dining area right here, and then kitchen, and also in the spare room. So we will also need to do the back hallway, which is, back there, and the bathroom eventually, but we laid in a 4-inch perforated pipe, which you can kind of see like right here underneath. And what that'll do is it'll give radon and other soil gases a kind of super highway, like an interstate highway with which to escape. So we're gonna passively mitigate radon, which is super cool. Got all that buttoned up. It's all like sealed, double stick tape to the top of the foundation, on the sill plate or whatever. And you can see Shayna has been stuffing R30 insulation into that kind of sill plate gap. You'll see one right up here where, she hasn't stuffed in because for whatever reason we have like oddly spaced joists right there, probably because old house. So we'll run some insulation across the front of the house as well. And bingo's your monkey. Once all that is done, we get to start putting subfloors in, which we're very excited about. My project right now is, you probably can't see it, but like right there, I'm drilling a hole in the house, and that's where our Starlink data cable is gonna come in. I'm gonna mount the satellite dish on the roof finally, and then I'll route that like all the way through the kitchen, kind of around, and then it'll poke into the laundry room like kind of right in there, boop. And we're gonna make a little data center with the Starlink power, the primary, what's it called? Mesh network hub, and then we'll have like a router back there to hardwire a bunch of stuff, and that'll be awesome. So, all right, that's where we are. Bunch of progress, pretty exciting. Maybe tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, we're actually going to be laying subfloors. I think we got some cleanup to do before we do that, but otherwise, yeah, sorry for swinging around a whole bunch with the camera, but good times.